Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to I'm going to show you all my doll rooms and their accessories and so many things. So these are going to be 3 boxes. So grab a snack and let's get to work. So I have this room. I am going to arrange everything so you can see. Again here, and here we have a TV. And also some shelves so she can store her stuff. So I have 2 matching beds. So this paper is supposed to be the bed sheet. So put one here and put one here. And I have a little blanket. The blanket. And we have matching pillows. Okay, so now I'm going to take another blanket. This one is mermaid. So if the doll sleeps, it will look like she's a mermaid. So I'll put the doll right here and see, she's a mermaid now. Put the doodle pillow. It's fun. One more doodle pillow, why not? A dream pillow here, a sprinkle pillow, and a star pillow. And one hot pink fur pillow for her. And I want to put a desk and a chair. Why not? So, desk, chair. I have this thing for my doll, so I can put it on this bed. And I have many books. So we have a mermaid book with mermaid scales, a striped notebook, and 3 regular notebook with that dots. And we made this in one of the videos. If you see my videos, you know it. And I have some reading books. Harry Potter, normal stories, Rumpelstiltskin, Harry Potter, a folder with real pages. There's nothing written on it. And this is like a pocket, and you know when we keep our pens in the folder. And this is a real photo frame. It can stand. This has to be some kind of dolls, grannies, a house and beautiful scenery. So, and here we have Barbie and her sister. Normal storybook, why not? And I'm going to, one more storybook. So now I'm going to arrange all of these. These 2 will be here. This book, this book, this book, this book, this book, this book. And now I have a cute plant. I'm going to keep these books here. And for support, I'm going to keep this cute little plant. These 2 books will be these sisters. Where's the plant? One more, why not? I'm going to keep the photo frame here. This here. Keep it over here. I made the shelves like these so they won't fall. And I forgot this sequence pillow. I made it. I'm going to put it here. This photo frame, put it over here. And I have a toy box with some toys. Let me show you. A little Kinder Joy toy, doll, and a Halloween hat. And this is a soap box. I just cut it so it can be a doll toy box. I'm going to keep it over here. So when she wants it, she can remove it from here and use it. I have a laptop. So this doll over here, she has a laptop and she doesn't. I'm going to keep this over here. So this is supposed to be a compass box. It has real things. I'm going to show you. Brushes packet. Origami paper 1, origami paper 2, origami paper 3. If you saw my video, you know I made a ruler. Here, origami paper, check. Brushes, check. Glue. Oopsies. Glue, check. Tape, check. Pencils, lots and lots of pencils. If you saw my video, you also know this thing. These pencils, check. Many pencils. So now we are doing online school, so we don't need this right now, so we can put it up here. And voila, this is my room. So I'm going to do one more room, and that will be this house. It has some photo frames on top, a nice little frame here, and some normal stickers. Chase your dreams, have a good day. This thing I don't know what is. Mickey Mouse, I don't know. Bears, and a real working door that opens. I made this from Gamebox. So, and we are going to use this desk. This room will be for Barbie, Skipper, Stacy, Chelsea's mom. I have a bed, a white bed. I have a blue blanket. Put it over here. An extra blanket. I made this myself. I painted this, everything. This little table. A laptop. And this one is blue colored. That one is pink. Laptop shut down. Coffee or tea. I think this is coffee. A plant. One more plant. And why not? One more. Some pillows, so I have this pillow, and this matches with this blanket. This pillow also matches with this, and a sequins pillow. That is enough. So I'm going to put it in a bag with some donuts, a vanilla donut, and a chocolate sprinkle donut. That's enough. Fold it, and voila. I'm going to keep this over here. Made these mobiles out of cardboard. So one for Barbie, one for Skipper, and one for her mom. So if you want to see the other rooms, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. And that's enough for today. Every video I'll show 2 rooms. We have some more to go, and a coffee shop also I made. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.